Good day, Madam and Sir. My name is Maveri Mario from Philippines. I am 37 years old. My height is 5'2". My religion is Catholic. I am single with children with living partner. I have 4 children, 2 boys, 2 girls. My medication, I do not have any long-term medication or maintenance. I do not have any history of serious illness or disease. My education, I am high school graduate. I am ex-abroad from Saudi Taif. The family members, 6 members, 2 adults, and 4 children. My responsibilities duties are clean the house, iron clothes, do the laundry, take care of children, cooking. My second country from Doha, Qatar. The family members, 6 members, 2 adults, and 4 children. My responsibilities duties are clean the house, iron clothes, do the laundry, take care of children, and cooking. The last country from Saudi Dammam. The family member is 7, 2 adults, and 5 children. My responsibilities duties are clean the house, iron clothes, do the laundry, cooking, take care of children. I hope, Madam, Sir, you will hire me. I know how to clean the house, do the laundry, and iron clothes. I am willing to take care of baby and children. I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese foods. I am committed to work abroad and finish contract. Thank you.